Robinhood stock is up a whopping 12% today, which is an incredible move for Robinhood just because over the past couple of months we've seen so much volatility from it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about what on earth is going on with this company and answering that main question of is now the best time to invest in it. But before we jump into it, like and subscribe. Do it right now. Like and subscribe. And I appreciate every single one of you for hanging out with me tonight. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out my school, Code YouTube. Guys, it's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, group chats, quizzes, lectures, and Code YouTube, 20% off, all caps. And guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at Robinhood stock, you guys can see that it's up a whopping 12% in a single day. And the craziest thing is, as we zoom out from Robinhood, you guys can notice that Robinhood has been getting absolutely annihilated. It was hitting highs at one point at $85 a share, and then kind of just slowly started stair-stepping its way down, all the way down to about $7 and pretty much 91 cents at its more recent lows. But the great thing about Robinhood is over the past 6 months, we've seen solid growth going from $7 all the way up to $20 a share. Now, as of today, as we look at today's chart, you guys will notice that we've seen so much buying pressure from Robinhood. It's gone from about $18 hitting highs at $20 a share, which, yes, it might not seem like a huge move. I get that, but let's draw it out. This is a return of about 13%. So, and this is only in a couple of hours, and this is millions, if not billions of dollars in market cap that is getting pumped into Robinhood. So why? Why are we getting so much momentum? Well, Robinhood actually got an upgrade, an analyst upgrade. So Robinhood shares are trading higher because BNA Security and analyst Craig, I don't even know how to pronounce his last name, pretty much upgraded the stock from a price target of $14 to $24 a share, which is awesome. I definitely think this is a huge thing for Robinhood just because anytime you have an upgrade, pretty much what this causes is a lot of retail investors or even hedge funds to look at Robinhood again and go, what are they doing? And people that are looking to invest, you know, Robinhood is trading for $18 a share, just got an upgrade to 24. Guys, that's a solid return. You know, and the thing is as we look at some of Robinhood's, you know, fundamentals, you guys will notice that Robinhood has seen a little bit of some volatility, but overall, a decent amount of growth, right? As we look at their gross margin, it's up 17%. Their net margin is up 121%, and their total revenue 40%. Their assets are up. Their cash flow is down a little bit, but I definitely think in the grand scheme of things, Robinhood, in my opinion, is a really fun and exciting play. It's a fun stock to look at. And looking at their income statement, let's go ahead and break it down here. Their operating revenue is up. We're seeing their total expenses down about 57%. Their operating profit is up 131%. Their net income is up 125%. So I definitely think we're seeing a lot of great metrics to determine long-term growth. But you also have to look at their more recent earnings report. If we go ahead and let's see if we can find it here, because I know they released it, you know, the other day, and I just know they got absolutely annihilated here. Let's go ahead. We can see it right here. So they announced their earnings, right? And the stock was super pumped up about it. And then since their earnings, the stock went from $19 to $16 a share. And they brought in a total revenue of $618 million, which is quite a lot of money. So to answer that main question of should you invest into Robinhood, that is why everybody clicked on this video. And let me answer this for you. So Robinhood is a growth stock. This stock is not going to be like investing into Apple or Coca-Cola. This thing is going to be a growth play. So what that means is it's going to be very volatile. We've seen the stock up 12% today, and then tomorrow it could be down 5% and then down 10%. You know, the volatility is there with Robinhood. So the approach that I have with
these types of companies and with Robinhood is if you're going to invest, keep it under 1 to 2% of your portfolio, meaning for every $100 you have invested into other stocks, bonds, ETFs, invest $1, $2 into Robinhood. The great thing about this is what this does is it gives you some shares where if Robinhood squeezes up to $1 million, I'm not saying it will, but if it does, you have some shares to make money. But if it sells off down to zero, then you're only out 1, 2% of your portfolio, and it's not that big of a deal because you're going to be diversified into a lot of other stocks and ETFs. So for me, I do own some shares of Robinhood, and I'm looking 5, 10 years out. I definitely think they're a huge, huge moneymaker when it comes to just investing in money management. Robinhood, in my opinion, is more than just a brokerage account. They're going to be offering a new credit card soon. They offer debit card. They offer a lot of great financial services. So for me, I'm willing to put some money into that and risk some money. But the approach I have is, like I said, it's like the money I'm investing, I'm well aware that it can go to zero, but it's a fun play. Robinhood, I use their product, I like it, and yeah, so that's that, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. That's why Robinhood is getting so much buying pressure. Huge analyst upgrade from $14 to $24. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Take care.